There always comes that time when a bottle of your favorite glue runs out. What can you do then? I mean, besides buying a new one. You can do that. But good modeler doesn't throw out useful things. Let's take a look at this bottle of well-known and esteemed wash. They seem to be identical. By the way, did you know you can adjust brushes length? It took me some time to figure it out. Okay, let's clean the bottle from glue residues. I will keep it open and take it outside for an hour. I don't want those vapors in my home. Now's the time to get rid of the label. It will take a water bath for an hour or so. Now, the important question. What to put inside? I could mix my favorite oil wash. But I have quite a nice wash made by another company, which I would like to pour into a more convenient container. Let's make a test on this wing. Proper bottle first. And now recycled one. Please remember, we are testing only the applicator. Wash's coverage may differ because it's a different product. Proper Tamiya brush seems to be more pointy, but the level of precision is comparable. So, that's it for today. I hope you will find this trick useful. Cheers!